Okay, this is a very quick video of how you do an oil change on a GMC Canyon. This is a GMC Canyon. GMC Canyon pickup truck. This is a quick video of how you do an oil change on this pickup truck. It's easy, very easy. So you don't even need to lift up the vehicle. You don't need to jack up the vehicle. There's enough space under. There's enough space under it to get to the filter and to get to the oil pan bolt. And I'll show you how you do that. So when you come under here, you'll see the filter right here, right that's the filter. I loosened the filter. It's right here, just at the front of the vehicle. That's the filter right there. I already loosened the filter. You can see the oil dripping from the filter. So all I have to do is loosen the filter all the way. Loosen the filter here and remove it. Loosen the filter all the way. Okay, alright, that's the filter. See the oil? You see the oil dripping? So the filter is off now. I have the new filter which will go in there as soon as all the oil finished dripping. I'll put the new filter in. Then under here, you follow the tank. The filter is connected to the oil pan, the oil tank. So you look around the tank, and over under here, right there, that's the bolt. That's the oil pan bolt. So it's a 15 millimeter socket. You need a 15 millimeter socket for that bolt. Okay, I'll show you. So you get the filters there. The bolt is right there. Let the oil drip. You can see that's the Canyon. So you can see that's the oil dripping. After you remove that 15 millimeter bolt, yeah, it's a bolt. We use a 15 millimeter socket, and you can see the oil draining. So you wait until all the oil stops coming out. It's easy. Wait until all the oil stops coming out. Put the bolt back. Put a new filter, and then put 6 quarts of oil on this car. It takes 6 quarts of oil on this car. It's a 3.5 engine, 3.5 liter engine. So you need 6 quarts of oil on this car. So as simple as that. So remove the filter, remove the bolt, get yourself 6 quarts of oil, which will go in the engine, and a filter, a new filter. Okay, so once you put the oil pan bolt back and the new oil filter, you come here, put 6 quarts of oil. 5W30 is the oil for this car. You can even see on the cover it says 5W30. See that? So you come here, you put 6 quarts. This big one is 5 quarts and the small one is 1 quart. So you put these 6 quarts and start the engine. Run the engine for a few minutes. Make sure nothing is leaking. Go under and check, make sure nothing is leaking. After that, you're good to go for the next about 3,000 miles. All right. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe. Good day. Thank you.